start with a situation in which this rider completely didn't expect his friend to stop for no reason at all.
Knal die hebben me achterin.
Ja. Alles goed. Hab ich?
Daan, til hem even op. Jij lekt benzine.
Ja.
Oh, you. Oh, you. Oh. Oh, you. You. Oh.
You want me to call 911?
Oh. Yeah, you might have to. Oh. God. Old people. This just pulled out.
It's hard to see, but failing to yield the right of way forced the driver to avoid this dangerous situation in a rather risky way.
Stupid! What's wrong with you? Yo, YouTube! You're going on YouTube! You almost killed me! You almost killed me! I should punch you in your face! You're stupid, yo! You're crazy! You almost killed me! I can't even hear you! You're going to YouTube! You got too much makeup on! Look at your face! Look at your face! You good? Hey Siri.
Oh, trust me, it don't hurt no more.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
I pushed too hard on my back brake. Now watch.
Pause.
Huh?
Hey Siri. Pause. Dude. You good, dude? That's YouTube, man.
The driver completely ignored the red light and at very high speed passed the biker from behind without keeping a safe distance.
He almost hit me. He almost hit me. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? He almost hit me. That guy, he almost hit me. No, he's an accident. So I just telling him, be careful. I'm good.
The biker was not passive in such a situation and his invaluable help probably saved life.
This guy's on a heart attack.
What? Oh, okay. Okay, I'll go get somebody right now.
Yeah, please.
There's a guy like a mile up on the left side in a Honda having a heart attack.
This way?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hey! I will go.
Thank you.
Up this way, right?
Yeah, up this way.
Left of the cigar?
Yeah, this way. They're gonna be after a big left roundabout. They're gonna be on the left side, under the shade. Honda. There's two of them. There's a guy sitting in the passenger guy is having a heart attack.
You guys got the AED, right?
Oh God, that was
Thank you
stressful.
for telling us.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.